Welcome back to the channel. Now we should talk about UK 1 penny. Let's start. Could this tiny coin in your collection be worth a small fortune? Let's dive into the fascinating history and current market value of the UK 1/2 new penny from 1976. The 1/2 penny was introduced in the United Kingdom in 1971 during the decimalisation of British currency. This small copper coin was designed to replace the old halfpenny, simplifying the monetary system. The coin featured the crowned portcullis on one side, a symbol of the Palace of Westminster, and Queen Elizabeth II's portrait on the other. By 1976, these coins were circulating widely and millions were produced. But as with all coins, collectors today are looking for the rarest and best preserved examples. So does your 1976 1/2 new penny stand out? When it comes to coins, condition is everything. A 1976 1/2 new penny in poor or average condition might fetch much, typically a few cents or less. But if your coin is in uncirculated condition, also known as mint state, it could attract collectors willing to pay more. Mint state coins are free of wear and have sharp details, making them highly desirable in the collector's market. The 1976 1/2 new penny is considered rare by numismatic standards, as millions were minted. However, over time, many of these coins were lost, damaged, or melted down, reducing their availability in excellent condition. The real value of the coin depends on its rarity and high grades, and how much collectors are willing to pay. Coins with unique errors, such as misaligned strikes or double dates, can also boost their value significantly. So what is a 1976 1/2 new penny worth today? In the United States, the market value ranges depending on its condition. Circulated coins often sell for less than $4,000. Uncirculated coins can sell for $5,000. Special varieties or errors may fetch $6,000 or more in rare cases. If you believe you have a valuable 1976 1/2 new penny, consider having it professionally graded by a service. A certified grade can significantly increase its market appeal. While the 1976 1/2 new penny might not make you a millionaire, it holds historical value and could earn you a decent sum in the right condition. Remember, the key is quality and uniqueness. Next up, the UK 1/2 new penny from 1974. Could this small copper coin in fine condition hold a big surprise in value on today's market? Stick around to find out. The UK 1/2 new penny was part of the United Kingdom's decimalisation effort, introduced in 1971. This tiny coin was made of bronze, featuring the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse, designed by Arnold Machin. On the reverse, you'll find Christopher Ironside's iconic crowned portcullis, a symbol associated with the British Parliament. But by 1984, the 1/2 new penny was discontinued due to inflation, making it obsolete for daily transactions. So, how does the 1974 version fit into the collector's world today? When it comes to coin collecting, condition is king. Coins are graded on a scale ranging from poor to mint state. The value of a 1974 1/2 new penny largely depends on its condition. In fine condition, the coin shows moderate wear but retains much of its detail. While it's the highest grade, it's still collectible, especially for enthusiasts completing decimal coin collections. The 1974 1/2 new penny is particularly rare, as millions were minted that year. However, its value can vary based on demand, scarcity in certain regions, and its historical appeal. So what's the big question? How much is this coin worth in today's market? For 1974 1/2 new penny in fine condition, the value typically ranges from $4,000. Not exactly life-changing, right? But if you have one in uncirculated or proof condition, its value could climb to $5,000 or more, especially if sold to a collector or at an auction. While it might make you a millionaire, Every coin has a story, and that's where its true value lies. The depth of its meaning reveals itself when you see through the chaos. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that the 1/2 new penny is one of the smallest coins ever minted in the UK, weighing just 1.78 grams? Despite its small size, it holds a big place in the history of British currency. So, whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting, keep an eye out for these fascinating little coins. Who knows, you might just discover a hidden gem in your pocket change. Modern fine gems, independent dealers, most of the world's scarcest international vendors. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of the 19741/2 new penny. Next up, UK 1 penny from 1998. Be worth a fortune in today's market? Spoiler alert, it just might surprise you. At first glance, a 1998 UK 1 penny might seem like just another coin you'd find in your pocket or at the bottom of an old drawer, but numismatics, or the study of coins, reveals that even common coins can hold significant value under the right circumstances. Coin value depends on several factors: rarity, condition, demand among collectors, and any unique features or errors. While the 1998 UK 1 penny isn't particularly rare, millions were minted that year. It's the specifics of certain coins from that batch that could make them valuable. So, what makes the 1998 penny stand out? Let's break it down. Minting errors, coins with mistakes during production, like double dates, off-center strikes, or misalignments, can fetch hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Petri dishes dropped labels on the tart and were forced to reveal their gems. Unusual features. Some pennies might have unique metal compositions or anomalies that increase their worth. Demand for collectibles. 1998 was a transitional year in UK coinage. While this penny is the oldest, some collectors focus on building year-specific collections, creating demand. Now, you might wonder, does a coin in dirty or worn condition still have value? Surprisingly, yes. In some cases, cleaning a coin can actually lower its value, especially for collectors who prefer coins in their original state. That's why even a tarnished or dirty 1998 penny could still hold significant value if it has rare traits. Oh, what's the potential market value of a 1998 UK 1 penny? For standard, circulated coins, the value might only be a few cents in the US market due to exchange rates, but coins with rare errors or unique features can sell for $4,000 or even more at auctions or online marketplaces like eBay. Some reported sales of error coins from 1998 have reached over $5,000. If your penny turns out to be valuable, there are plenty of places to sell it. Online platforms like eBay or Etsy. Numismatic auctions for rare and error coins. Local coin shops or collectors clubs. Make sure you research the current market trends to get the best price. Who knew that a simple, dirty 1998 UK 1 penny could hold such potential value? It just goes to show that treasure can be hiding in plain sight. If you have a 1998 penny, take a closer look. You might just have a hidden gem in your collection. Next up, the UK 1 penny from 2008. Could this seemingly ordinary coin be worth a small fortune in today's market? Let's find out. First glance, the 2008 UK 1 penny looks like your typical small copper-plated steel coin, right? It features Queen Elizabeth's Techno's portrait on the obverse, designed by Ian Rank Broadley, and the reverse displays part of the royal shield, part of a design introduced that very year. This coin is part of a series created to form a complete shield when placed together with other UK coins. But as ordinary as it seems, this penny can actually hold some surprising value depending on its condition and rarity. Keep watching to learn why. So, why 2008? This year marks a significant moment in UK coinage history. It was the first year the Royal Mint introduced the shield reverse design, replacing the old portcullis design. Because of this, coins from 2008 are particularly interesting to collectors, especially when they're in extra good condition, also known as mint state or uncirculated condition. On top of that, the mintage numbers for UK pennies are high, but finding one in pristine condition after all these years is a challenge. Most pennies in circulation get scratched, tarnished, or worn over time. Condition is everything when it comes to valuing coins. Grading systems like those used by the professional coin grading services or the numismatic guarantee company assign a numerical grade to a coin based on its state. A 2008 UK 1 penny in extra good condition, that is, grade or higher, could significantly increase its value. Even slight imperfections can drop the value, so if you have a 2008 penny that looks flawless, it might be worth having it professionally graded. Now let's talk numbers. The typical 208 1 penny in circulated condition might only be worth its face value, 1 penny. However, coins in uncirculated or near perfect condition can fetch anywhere from $4,000 in online marketplaces like eBay or coin auctions. And if you're lucky enough to have a penny graded higher, the value could climb to $5,000 or more, depending on the demand. While it's not retirement money, it's still a fantastic return on a single penny. While most 2008 UK 1 pennies might not break the bank, those in mint condition can definitely be a fun and profitable find for collectors. So, dig through your change, check your old jars, and see if you've been holding on to a hidden gem. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more coin collecting tips and insights, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Who knows? The next treasure might already be in your pocket. Subscribe for more coin collecting tips. Watch our video on other valuable UK coins next time.